What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sophia. It's been 4 years since I came on YouTube, and I so owe you guys an apology. There's so many people I need to apologize, and I know I need to give you guys an explanation. So, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Sophia. I started my YouTube channel about 7 years ago when I had dreadlocks and I lost my temples and my crown. I came on YouTube just panicking and saying, hey, I need help. I think I started with a castor oil challenge. That was, a lot of people were doing that at the time. Trying to grow my hair. It got worse. And I was just really looking for help. Long story short, it turned out that I started getting results on my hair with the research I was doing, the supplements I was taking, the DIY treatments I was doing, and it led to people in the Greater Toronto area in Canada where I live reaching out to me, whether it be in Facebook or YouTube, or people literally coming up to me in the streets and saying, hey, I need your help. I saw your videos, or I heard about you, or something like that. So people started reaching out to me, and I decided that I was gonna start a home-based salon, but it's not a salon where I do styling or none of that, because I'm not a stylist. I don't want to be a stylist. I love the stylists. They do amazing work. And I've just been doing hair treatments. So I've been doing hair treatments now for about 4 or 5 years, about 4 to 5 years, yeah. And I've treated over 100 women consistently, many of whom have had success with either halting or reversing the hair loss, and just having different types of success depending on how much they're willing to work with me, how much they're willing to put in it, because y'all know some of you are not willing to stay committed, but that's a whole nother story, and we're gonna talk about that in future videos. But I also want to talk about other things that I've been doing to keep you updated. So I've also become a certified trichologist in 2018. A trichologist, for those of you who don't know, is someone who studies the hair and the scalp. So I became certified, and with that being said, it opened my eyes up and it changed my stand on how to really combine science with nature, because you guys know in my previous video I was all about nature, but then I realized through my course, why is it that our ancestors decided to combine science with nature? Obviously, there are great benefits to it. So as it stands right now, where my salon is concerned, I am thinking about in the future possibly open up a hair clinic. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna see how things go. You guys know I like to just go with the flow and just let things take its natural course. So with that being said, I also want to talk about the fact that I am still about no toxic ingredients in your hair products and proper use of the ingredients in products. So I promise you guys I'm coming out with a hair line. Many years ago, there's been a lot of things that has happened. Like I said, I've been so busy. That's really stopped me from coming out with the full line. But the Moringa Scalp Tonic that I talked about, I have enhanced it and worked with other chemists to come up with a formula that I think is just amazing. It's helped me a lot, because I could not have even put my hair up. Even though I still have some thinning over here, I literally was not able to wear my hair anything like this like few years back. So the Moringa Scalp Tonic has helped me significantly, but I must say it's really not about just one product, guys, and I can't emphasize that enough. My future videos are going to talk about all the stuff that we need to talk about. So we're going to talk about your mindset, your nutrition. You got to know where you stand. So you got to get your blood work done. You got to know your hair care practices, or have proper hair care practices. You can't be doing tight styles. You can't keep your scalp dirty. You got to make sure your regimen is effective for the condition that you have. So you can't be doing co-washes when you have hair loss issues. If you have locks, you can't be using conditioners. There's a whole lot of stuff that we're gonna talk about in future videos. And I also want to let you guys know I may not be able to keep up with this channel because my hair product that I'm coming out with, the Moringa Scalp Tonic, it is from my company Fire Naturals. So I urge you to immediately go over to Fire Naturals. So Fire Naturals on Instagram and follow me. It's relatively new because I haven't been doing much posting or much activity on it, but that's something I'm definitely gonna do because we are launching the Moringa Scalp Tonic at the end of March. I'm gonna be doing giveaways on some of the people who are the first few to follow, so I suggest you go ahead and do that. Also, go to firenaturals.com if you haven't already done that, and sign up to be notified so that you could get first grabs of the Fire Natural product, because I am going to be sending an email in the next coming week or two that is going to provide you with discounts, and it's also going to provide you with, I think, free shipping is what we're doing, and also the chance to win on Instagram. So I would really urge you, if you want to be a part of that, go ahead to firenaturals.com, sign that up, you'll get that email. You guys will be the first to get the product in your hands because it won't be accessible to the general product until after March. I believe it's March 22nd or March 23rd. I have to check that. Anyhow, what's next for me? Other than the product being out, I will be also offering trichology services, not necessarily in a clinic form as yet, as I mentioned. I'm not sure about that, but globally, I'll be offering detailed consultations over the phone, on Skype, or WhatsApp, or whatever way. So if you're interested in that, then sign up, because you'll be notified whenever anything new comes up if you sign up on join our A-list on firenaturals.com. And I think that's pretty much all I want to talk to you guys about. It's a 7-minute video. How did this become a 7-minute video? It's almost 8 minutes. Anyway, I want to thank you so much for those of you who are still following me and who've been looking out for me. I appreciate you guys so much. And I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys on the other side on my other channel at Fire Naturals. FIRENATURALS. See you. I'm out. Peace.